I get asked the same question by people who want to be a YouTuber, by people who want to start their YouTube channel, and you might be asking the same question. So, in today's video, I am going to be answering common questions that beginner YouTubers ask, that they want to know about YouTube, how YouTube works. So, that is the question I'll be answering in today's video. So, the first question I'll be answering, I have a list of questions I've written down, but a friend of mine wants to start a YouTube channel, and she entered my DM and asked some questions. So the first thing I'll be doing is to answer those are questions before going into the one I have written down. So let's answer a question. So our first question is, how will I know when I am making progress? How will you know when you are making progress? And she went ahead to say, I mean checking on the number of subscribers and the rest. You want to know where to check your subscriber count, and this is where you can check your subscriber count. And if you have your YouTube studio, like the app, not the desktop, if you have the app, you can see it every day. You can check your updates, check your analytics there. This is YouTube studio. This is it. You download it. If you know you want to take YouTube seriously, you must have this app on your phone. You check your analytics here. You check how many views you have gotten from a particular video. You check how many watch hour, for those of you that have not gotten monetized, you check how many watch hour you have gotten. So you need to go and download the YouTube studio, and this is where you check your subscriber count on your YouTube studio. So let's move on to the next question that she asks. Also, which is the channel name, so I can change it. She wants to change her channel name and she does not know where to change it from. So this is how you change your channel name. You just go through it. That is your channel name. You change your channel name, and that is it. And the next question is, and which link am I sending out for people to subscribe to the channel as well? This is where you can get your link. You can get it from your Surface. You just click here, send it, share, you copy the link, then you go ahead to send it. The next is, lastly, what's the fastest way to grow subscribers? On my vlogging channel, I'm currently at 16,000 subscribers, and short actually helped me to achieve that, and live streaming, not long form video. Yes, it's few people that will subscribe to your channel, but if you want to get subscriber faster, post shorts up on those trending shorts that are going on, because that is what I've been using to grow my vlogging channel, and it has been paying me well. So up on shorts, go live, those two, you are going to get your subscriber fast. The next is, and yes, people will always have hate comments, some kind of persons. How do you cope with such? She's talking about, how do I cope with people that have hate comments? It's normal. Both Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, there will always be hate comments. You may not do anything wrong, but someone will just look for something to comment, hate comments to comment on your video. How do you cope with it? Just forget about it. Because I remember there was a time I was going live back to back on my vlogging channel. There's this particular person, like, I think he's just jobless, because you are calling me jobless. I'm online making my money, and you're coming to watch me. You are calling me jobless. That is, he'll go ahead to insult my nose. He went ahead to insult my face. I'm ugly. Like, each time I go live, he just kept coming. At first, I was unbothered by it, because other people that were on my live stream used to like defend me and all. But there was a time I just had to block the person out of my channel. So it was not affecting me, but you know that kind of thing that each time you go live, this particular person will come and want to spoil your mood. I just had to block the person. So first thing, if you see that kind of person, just block the person. The person will have no access, except the person want to go and create another channel, which is, the person is really jobless. If he or she goes as far as creating another channel to come to your channel, I don't see how. Just forget about it. If that kind of person comes to your channel, go just block the person out of your channel. That is how to cope with it. That is how I coped with it. I had to block the person out of my channel. So the next one is about the withdrawal. So how to do that? Okay, the withdrawal, how to do that. Any restriction? What do I need to know? The range of for withdrawing, how many subscribers I need at least to earn a substantial amount, how to keep up with my posts to ensure it doesn't start well, then location, Okay, all this. Okay, the last one is how can I promote the channel? So with all these things, she talks about withdrawal. She talks about withdrawal to promote the channel. What type? We all know that before you start, before you get monetized, before YouTube will invite you to their partnership program, you need to have 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers, then 4,000 watch hour in the space of 12 months, which is a year. Or if you are dealing with shorts, 10 million views in the space of 3 months. You have to have 10 million views on your shorts in the space of 3 months. That is when you are now qualified uh, to apply for YouTube partnership program. Then even as you apply, you must not have restriction, because if you have restriction, they might not accept you. If you have copyright, your videos are not authentic and all, they might not accept you into their partnership program. So for the withdrawal, before you to if you finally get monetized, before YouTube will pay you, you must have up to $100. This month, if you get up to $100, you get up to $100, YouTube is going to pay you inside next month ending. That is how it is done. So you have to have up to $100 before YouTube can think of paying you. And you know how you do it. You have to get like your domiciliary account, which is your dollar account. Go to any bank, create it. You must use your NIN, you must have your tax number. Those things you must get, those things, tax number, your NIN, domiciliary accounts. That's basically what you need. Then you link everything to your YouTube, and you must have an AdSense account. Very important. Before YouTube will even accept you into their partnership program, you must have AdSense account. Yes, you must create an AdSense account. If you don't have any, you create an AdSense account when you're applying. Then they will approve the AdSense account. You can go ahead to apply for YouTube partnership program. So that is basically the question she asked. So I will be going into the questions I have written down. Though there are 25, and I'm very sure out of these 25 I've written down, I've answered some. So let me start with the first one. Do I really need expensive equipment to start? No, you don't need expensive equipment to start. You just need to start something. It's as you grow, that is where you start getting expensive equipment. Start with your phone. Start with the phone you have. If your phone camera is okay, but not too clear, even if it's not iPhone, start with it. Start with it. Try your possible best to edit. And I remember she talked about editing. I did not ask her there. She talked about editing with your phone. Do learn a little things on editing. YouTube is like the largest search engine in the world right now. So just come to YouTube. I want to know how to edit this type of thing. It will show. You will see video on it. Watch video on it. So with that, with the small equipment you have, if you don't have light, wait. Always make your video in the afternoon when there is sunlight, when there is light. Go outside, don't go close to your window. Let the sun be facing your face, like it will be very clear. I have tried that before. It's clear, like it's super clear. It will be clear for you. Then edit the little you can. Start somewhere. That is just the major thing. That is just the answer. Start somewhere. As you are starting, you will be improving in your way. You will say, okay, I made mistake. Even there's no how you even be perfect. That is just a part. I made mistake here. Or in my next video, I'll correct the mistake. Or in my next video, I'll do this. So that is just it. Let me not waste more time on that. The other one is, can I start a YouTube channel with just my phone? I've said it already in the first one. Yes, you can start a YouTube channel with just your phone. It's my phone I am using. Most YouTubers, is their phone that they are using before they upgraded to maybe camera and all. Some YouTubers are earning in millions. Is their phone they are still using. So you can start a YouTube channel with your phone. The third one is, how do I grow my channel fast? The way you can grow your channel fast is to be consistent with your uploading. Then to grow your subscriber, I've said about it short and all, but be consistent with your uploading. That is just basically it. Because just imagine YouTube, you have been showing up, and YouTube have been noticing you, the algorithm has been noticing you, and all of a sudden the algorithm now decided, your next video, they are going to make it go viral. And the next time you're supposed to post, you do not post. You now wait for maybe after a month, you now come back. Do you think the algorithm will remember you again? No. start over again. So that is why it is good to be consistent. I'm trying to be consistent in my channel because I know I am not. I am not. So be consistent. That is the fastest way to grow. The fourth one is, how do I get my first 100 subscriber? Getting your first 100 subscriber, post shorts. In a day, you can post 5 to 6 shorts. As I'm monetized on my vlogging channel, even till now, I have the subscriber. But even till now, in a day, I used to post nine shorts, 7 shorts. And that 7 shorts in a day, I used to make $10 to $20. I'm not capping. I'm just like, let's just go. How do I grow my channel fast? Okay, how do I get my first subscriber? Post shorts. Post shorts. That is just it. You can post 4 to 3 shorts a day, and you are going to get that subscribers. What should my first video be about? Your first video can be about introducing yourself. Yes, your first video can be introducing yourself, that, oh, this is my name, I want to start this channel is about this, and it's still depending on your niche. But I would advise your first video should be about introducing yourself. Introduce yourself, tell them this is what this channel is about. That is when you have known the niche you want to. This is what this channel is about. This is what I'll be uploading, and I may be uploading so time, so time. I may upload 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week. Please subscribe to the channel, follow, and you enjoy. So that's just basically what your channel, what your first video should be about. How often should I post? As I said, you can post 2 to 3 times a week. If you know that you cannot be posting every day, just give yourself, okay, 3 times in a week I want to be posting. If it's once in a week that you want to start, at first, if it's once in a week, post once in a week. Post once in a week, but be consistent with that. Your once in a week. It's not that you post this week, next week you not post, next 2 weeks you not post, you now come back after 2 weeks and post. No, if it's once in a week you want to be posting, post once in a week. That is it. How often should I post? The next is, do I need to show my face to grow on YouTube? You don't need to show your face to grow on YouTube. That is why there's faceless channel. You just need to study which type of faceless channel do you want to go into. There are faceless channels that are earning in millions. Some faceless channel are even earning more than people that are showing their face on YouTube. So you need to know the type of faceless channel you want to. There are courses that you can learn. You can meet those people that are dealing with faceless channel that you know that they are successful. They should coach you in it. What type of faceless channel do you want to go into? Is it the storytelling type? What type do you want to go into? Is it using AI tools to create your videos and all? Just do it. You can earn in that. You don't need to show your face before you earn on YouTube. And the next is, what type of content work best right now? All type of content work best. It's just the way you deliver your message. It's just the way you package your channel. That is it. I will not tell you open this channel, do this channel. This is my first channel right now. But the fact is, my vlogging channel that I just decided to, let me just create this vlogging channel and start making something, posting my day-to-day activities and all. The fact is that channel is actually doing better than this one currently. That is just a fact. If you can deal with 2 channel, if you can handle 2 channel, do 2 channel. If you can handle 3 channel, do 3 channel. The thing is, this thing is, just know what you can do, what you can be consistent in doing. I would not tell you open this. If I tell you, okay, deal with this, and you make 2, 3, or 4 video on it, and all of a sudden you don't want to do it again, you now say I'm the one. No, choose the niche that you are comfortable in making. Choose the niche that you are comfortable in making. All channels are okay. All channels are doing well. People are earning millions. Blogging channel, gaming channel, teaching channel, educational, like people are earning from it. So you just need to know which one do you want to go into. Which one are you comfortable in making? This video is getting long, but let me go to the next. How long should my videos be? How long should your videos be? Your video, I really don't know, but if it's a long form video, your video should be above 3 minutes. That's just what I can say, depending on the type of message, type of video you're making. So your video should be above 3 minutes. I'm going to be making it fast right now. How do I make my videos look professional? By your editing, the way you shoot your videos, and no, you don't need to get perfect from beginning. As I've said earlier, start somewhere. From there, you start seeing your mistake and start improving with it. But your editing and your shooting, learn all these things from YouTube. That is how to make your video look professional. How can I get people to click on my videos? First thing is your thumbnail. People see your thumbnail first. So if your thumbnail is good and attractive, people will surely want to click on it. And second is your title. Let your title be relatable to people so that they'll be able, as they see your thumbnail, they look at the title, everything go hand in hand, they'll click on your video to watch. And third is your video. Just imagine people clicking on your video because of your thumbnail and your title, and the video is nothing to write home about. The video is not even delivering the message that the thumbnail is delivering. They will just click out, and it is bad for your growth. So these three things: your title, your title, your thumbnail, and the video in particular. The next is, how do I edit my video if I don't have a laptop? Use your phone. I use my phone. I use my tab, but I started using my phone before I got a tab to edit. Learn how to edit with your mobile phone. Learn it on YouTube. Everything is there. Do I need an intro and outro for my videos? Yes, basically you need hook is very important. That means your intro is very important to keep people watching to the end. Give them that interesting intro, telling them what this video is about if they really want to watch it and all. So that is it. How do I get watch hour? Watch hour going live. If you want to get your 4,000 watch hour, going live. Go live often. Live give you watch hour. If you go live often, by no time you get monetized. When will I start making money? You start making money when you finally YouTube accepts you into their partnership program. That is when you have meet the requirement of 4,000 watch hour, 1,000 subscriber. How much does YouTube pay for 1,000 views? There's no specific amount YouTube pay for 1,000 views. Firstly, depending on how much advertisers are paying for that videos, that is how YouTube will not calculate how much they are going to give for 1,000 views, depending on how much advertisers pay. And the thing is, there's no particular amount YouTube pay for 1,000 views. There's no particular amount. Sometimes the topic might determine what YouTube is going to pay you. Just it, and the channel differ. According to what people say, according to what I've heard, educational channel earn more, but that doesn't mean vlogging channel, because one of my vlogging channel YouTube paid $2 something cents for just 4 views. So there's no particular amount. How do I design a good thumbnail? Watch on YouTube. You will learn how to design a good thumbnail. How do I deal with negative comments? I've talked about that. How do I promote my channel on social media platform? You can direct people to come and watch, but I will not advise you to direct people to come and watch. It's best to grow from scratch. That is just it. Grow from scratch. Gain your subscribers by people watching your video and liking it. That's just the best thing. Not that you're inviting your family and friends to come and subscribe to your channel. It's bad. That is when negative comments start coming in. That is just it. That is when negative comments start coming in. People that don't like you, they'll start saying things. Oh, will you not just give up? The channel is not growing. Just give up. And with that, the thing will start entering your head and you want to give up. So this is it. And the last is, how long does it take to grow on YouTube? That's the last question. How long does it take to grow on YouTube? You can grow a month on YouTube, you can grow 2 months. It's just depending on how consistent you are with posting, how consistent you are with posting, how you optimize your thumbnail, how you optimize your title, the keywords, do you put keywords so that it will go far? And I think that's basically how to grow. And I think this is the end of the questions, the common questions that new YouTubers ask. And that is the end of today's video. If this video was helpful to you, if you learned 1 or 2 things, and if you have any other question that I did not answer in this video, just kindly leave it on the comment section. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video to those people you know that this video will help, to those new YouTubers you know that this video is going to help. And leave, as I said, leave your comment. Like, if you have any other question, just write it. I am going to answer you. And that will be all for now, guys. See you all on my next video. Bye.